Oh well, as you guys know, we've seen it all. Mostly Brazilian oil. We've seen also some Arabic oil, like this one, from Iraq. We've seen this synthol so-called infection supposedly looking not saluted. But quite frankly, European oil is quite rare. You can count them on one hand, right? Well, that seemed to no longer be the case. As usual, Mother Russia comes to the rescue. First video I've seen about this gentleman is this one. Of course, quite suspect right off the bat. These delts are not loyal. Some people might get confused because his forearms look legit. Thing is, clearly it's oil. This is him prior to the oil. Front double bicep, clear as hell. He injected some things right there, unfortunately. Same goes with the side tricep. Definitely suspect, and quite frankly, it is not well done. Did he fix his problem? I don't think so. This is not a winning bodybuilding physique, unfortunately. And that is what usually happens with SEOs, site enhancing oils. When you start to do them, you can't fix yourself. It will be an overkill of a look. These guys don't do it only once, they need to continue doing it, and after a while, it's gonna be a spill, pretty much a BP oil spill, and this case is no different. And if we take a look back at his physique previously, he was not a genetic freak. High lats, small arms, insertions are not loyal, front double bicep is not impressive, so to speak, and then he chose that route not successfully so. So this gentleman here will not be the next Mr. Olympia from Russia. Is a BP oil spill. So there you have it, boys and girls. As far as I know, this is the very first case I've seen of SEOs used in Russia. And it goes to show that oil is not there to fix your bodybuilding career, but rather it is the very doom of your bodybuilding endeavor. Not saluted.